I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad.
Welcome back to Pastel Peony channel. My name is Ploy and my channel is all about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. In today's video, we're gonna have a full review of the Cleef and Arpels necklace that I bought from Bangkok. If you watch my video, like previous one about Bangkok shopping haul, you will see this necklace as part of the review as well. But in this video, I want to do the full review because some part of my previous video was mute and I cannot give a full review of the necklace. So we're gonna do the whole full review of this necklace in this video. I'm going to tell you everything from unboxings, and I already unboxed it, but I would do again for you and tell you what's inside the bag and the price of this necklace, what did I got, and how do I like it? Do I think it's worth the price? Before we move on to the full review of this necklace, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel at the bottom right over here. I create an icon there so you can subscribe from there. Now let's get started. So here is how the box look like. This part will be Cleef and Arpels, and at the back it will be VCA. So here comes the box, and usually they're wrapped it with this beautiful ribbon in the green color, which is the brand color. Now let's take a look at the necklace first. So this is a very nice beautiful white box with a little bit of shimmer. I love that. And then inside is the green box with the VCA logo, and here it is. So it also comes with this one as well. I think it's like a cushion to, you know, like not let something to press on the pendant easily. So this is the necklace. I got it in the necklace name Alhambra, if I read it correctly. I got it in white colors. It comes in so many different colors, and this white color is capturing my attention because it's easily to, you know, wear with any colors of clothes, and majority of my clothes in my closet. So it comes with a cloth. So this is the cloth for you to clean the necklace. Let me put it this way, and here it is. So this is the cleaning cloth you can use to clean the pendant or polishing, I don't know, but it's really nice that they have some cloth that comes with it, so I don't have to find one by myself. And then I also have this book that comes with the necklace as well. So that's care advice services. So I think it's like a care book, like instruction and everything in several languages. And this one is the authentic city certificate. So it's gonna match with the serial number at the necklace. So that is how we authenticate it. So this is the one that I bought on the 3rd of June. So this is the certificate of authenticity. And then I have a receipt. So this is the receipt that I got, but because I claimed for the tax refund, so I cannot show you how the receipt look like. I only have the tax refund fee over here just for my own record. I plan to ask for the receipt from the SA in case in the future, you know, I want to sell it off or want to upgrade to other colors, other material so that I have the receipt with me. I have to give the receipt out to the custom for tax refund, and they not allow me to keep my receipt, so that's why I don't have it with me. Now we're gonna come back to the necklace review. I have it in white, mother of pearl material, the pendant, and the gold color necklace. So here it is. When you look closely, you will see a slight reflection in the rainbow tone, which is really, I find it's really pretty. And the gold necklace is very small, and when I try at the boutique, it's just very lightweight and very comfortable, so I don't feel like it's like disturbing kind of necklace at all, because it's very small and very thin. And here is the code, the serial code that I mentioned to you earlier, that's supposed to match the authentic city certificate just now. So this is the serial code number, so you can see that it's gonna have to match inside the certificate of authentication. So this one I choose in white because it's easy to go with my outfit. In most of my clothes in my closet, it is in lighter color, so I think it is suitable to go for like white or neutral kind of tone. But on the website, if you can see this, they have several colors available, and also the mic comes up with several different pricing as well. So I'm gonna add some photos somewhere over here so that you can see what are the colors available out there. So as I can remember, they are black, red, and green, and I think different color may have a different pricing, so you might have to look through the website. Like this color might be a little bit more expensive than others. And for this version, like the Alhambra necklace comes in with a total of 2 sizing. So one is this size that you have, that you are seeing right now, is the, I feel like it's an original size or something, I guess, because this seems to be the most popular size. I guess I like this size. And then they have another size which is called a sweet size. So the sweet size is smaller. If I could find a picture to compare for you, you will see they are much smaller. So I saw it at the shop as well, and I find it it's way too small and it's hard to spot. But if those who like some pendant that is tiny, you might like the sweet size. But according to the SA, what she told me, she said that the sweet size, if to look nicer, maybe you go for the necklace types that has a few of the sweet size, so that is like cuter that way. So that is other options if you like the sweet size. So in this collection, it comes in not just the necklace, but they also have the earrings, and then bracelet, and what else, ring, and yeah, in different colors and pricings as well. So I recommend you to have a look at their website and see what are available, because when I was there in Bangkok, I wasn't expect to buy this necklace because I'm not pretty sure they're gonna have it in stock. But when I walked in, they say that they have 2 in stock, so currently they probably have the last one at the shop. So anyone who are in Bangkok and you plan to buy this, you have to run to the store, and you might get the last one. So it's not often to comes in stock, so you can inform or ask the SA in advance whether they have this necklace in this collection or in specific color in stock or not, because they might not be always available when we walked in. Now let's talk about pricing. I think they changed or increased the price regularly, but I don't know how often. Currently is at this price in Thailand is 91,500 baht. So convert to Sing dollars is gonna be around 3,660 something at the time that we were in Thailand at that time. That's the exchange rate was around 24 plus or 25, and then we have 7% tax refund, so it's around 5,000 baht discount because of the tax. So we have around 5,000 tax refund. If calculate everything and calculate into Sing dollars, we bought this necklace at the price of around 3,400 around there. So it's really good price that I find is much cheaper in Singapore. In Singapore, this necklace is at 3,800 Sing dollars. Was it or not worth the price? I might be a bit early to tell about whether it's durable or and all that, but according to what I have been researched for about this necklace and decided to buy it, there's a few reasons and I think it's gonna worth my money. The first reason that I decided to buy this necklace is because the price hold the value quite well. I mean better than other necklaces in other brands in the market, and I feel that I don't lose that much, especially when I buy from abroad and I can claim for the tax refund, and that is like saving my money for quite a bit. And when I resell these in the future, or maybe like in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, the value won't drop too much. Also depends on how I take care of the necklace as well. The condition also one important thing to consider when we want to resell it. But I will try my best to take care of the necklace as much as possible. For example, avoid to wear it during swimming or go to the sea, but definitely not to go for the swimming with this necklace. I definitely gonna take it out. So I think the value gonna hold there in the future. So it won't be that much in terms of the price drop. And the second reason is the design. You will see that this clover design is very simple, however it's very classic. It is goes so well with any types of clothes that you have. I have it in white because I see like this is gonna goes with any outfit in my closet, so that increases chance for me to wear it almost every day, use it almost every day. So gonna use what I have spent, right? And I feel that it's gonna worth my money that way. And this classic shape is going to be there not just right now. I believe this trend is gonna be a long-term trend that I can wear it in trend for quite some times in a long term, because this design has been quite a few years already and it's quite a long time. So I think it's kind of a classic piece to have. Alright, and that is the whole review that I have. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. If you like this shopping, haul, review and luxury shopping and all that, please give me a subscribe to my channel. And see you again in the next video. Bye!